Hello everyone. First you just have to make a round shape, then the two type of the vertical lines are made and the long cylindrical ears are added from the top area, and inside you just have to place the two cute little paws, and some of the facial features are to be added around this circle, that are the nose and the cute little eyes, and the carrot is placed at the center and rest of the tit is given around the cheeks and the nose area. It looks so cute. Let's move further. Try to make a beautiful dino. You just have to trace down the number 2, over which you just have to place some of the 3 type of the numbers, then the rest of the ears are made and other features are to be made. This activity is very simple and very easy. Definitely give this one a try. It looks so cute and so easy. You can even take out some of the brooder's pouch from the front area so that it will look like a kangaroo. Let's move further with our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create this giraffe. For this one, you just have to make the round shape, over which you just have to make a cylindrical long neck. Then the rest of the features of this body are added, and you just have to make some of the antlers and the ears and some of the spikes around the neck area. It looks so cute and so easy. 4 legs are to be added, paws are to be distinguished from the legs, and the cute curvier tail is also made. This activity is the simplest of all. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further with our another activity. You just have to make the C type of the line as shown here. The 3 are to be made, then the snout is created from the front area and the fins are also made. Then it's time to add some more features, like you just have to make the tail fin and you just have to make the eyes. The cute dolphin is ready. Let's move further. Try to make this bunny. For this one, you just have to first make the long ears, and over which you just have to create some C in the opposite direction. That's going to represent the face one, and the rest of the features for this face are also added, and in between its hands it's holding a mushroom. It looks so cute and so easy. Fill it with some bright colors. Let's move further. Try to make this cute little cat. For this one, we have already made some of the round shape and some triangular ears, and then with the help of the marker we are making some of the patterns so that it will look more beautiful and more cuter. At the center we have placed a heart shape that it's holding in its hand. It looks much cuter. Let's move further towards our another activity. You just have to trace down the alphabet S and S, then you just have to join them in between the lines, and from opposite direction you just have to write the number 3 from both the ends, and the long ears are made and the eyes are to be added. Then the cute tiny nose is also added. Some tiny tails are made from both the ends. For the right one it's longer than for the left one, and then the other features are added. It looks so cute and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move further with our another activity. First, we are making this round shape, over which we are placing some more shapes like a parrot. Here, you just pause the video and try to follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. We are going to convert it into a cute tiny fish. Definitely give this one a try. It looks much easier and much beautiful. This is so good and so nice. You just have to add some more features around the fins, like you just have to make the scaly area. It looks so cute. Let's now move further towards our another activity. First, make a sleeping line, over which you have to place a round shape. Then you just have to make the two tiny circles around the ears area. Then you just have to add the rest of the features, like the body is to be made and a cute tiny tail is made. Then some of the other features are added, like the patterns, and fill it with some of the bright colors. Let's move further with our another activity. First, you just have to make this L type of the shape. Then you just have to join it with the V from the lower one, and then some more lines are made. That these are going to represent the fins of this shark, and then the eye is made that somewhat similar to krill, and teeth are added. Thank you for watching.